Do you know what true peace is? True peace is when your soul feels calm and quiet, a peace that fills you from deep inside, and what brings more comfort to your soul than the words of Allah in the Holy Quran. In these beautiful autumn days when you are alone and the colors of the leaves bring a calm feeling to your heart, go to a place where you feel comfortable. Hold the Quran, read its verses, and share your thoughts and feelings with your kind Allah. In that moment, it's as if the world has fallen into a deep silence and only the voice of Allah speaks in your heart. Take a few minutes to look around and enjoy the beauty of nature that Allah has created. Notice the shades of yellow, orange, and red leaves decorating every corner like little message of kindness from Allah. Sip a warm cup of tea and feel its special taste in the moment. Then pick up a book and let its words take you to another world. Allow the child within you to be free. Let it feel joy without worries in this peaceful autumn. Embrace these rare and beautiful moments, finding true deep peace.